Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, March 31st. On Friday, the expectation for Friday was I was looking for an unchanged, possibly higher type day. Well, let's look at what happened here. We did move a tad bit higher. When we got to those higher levels, we found sellers as this market finished up. And as we talked about in the advanced video, this is a very interesting setup for Monday. I'm looking for a sideways move. It'll be important to see actually if we get follow through from the selling. Now, is that people selling the rally or is it people taking profit before the weekend? We'll find out on Monday. But when it comes to the euro, I think it's being very orderly, and I'm looking for an up day in that market for Monday. I think we're going to get some positive movement here. As we look at interest rates, the notes came off. I think that's a step in the right direction, the 10-year notes. In the bond market, they did trade below that bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market, to give you a feel for what that change is at, give you the right thing, yeah, it's 18 ticks. And those 18 ticks in that market would be $562.50. That's what that would represent in terms of price change. And again, that's just a reference. I am not looking for follow through to the upside. I'm looking for sellers to continue in that market. I'm looking for a sideways move in gold to possibly higher, but at least a sideways move, and for crude oil. It's important that we make new lows on Monday. I'm looking for weakness in that market. And when it comes to the grains, I'm looking for the continuation of the sideways move here in soybeans. And that concludes the day's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.